Yo, what is going on YouTube? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free McDonald's rewards points, which is going to allow you to get tons of free McDonald's food. Now, I'm going to call this a McDonald's food glitch because this code that I'm going to show you isn't supposed to supply this much rewards points, but you can actually get 10,000 points for free, and this is a promo code that you can enter into the McDonald's app, and 10,000 points is enough to get you a couple of meals, and this works in 2026. Everyone can do this. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. I'm always searching for brand new methods on getting free food, not only McDonald's but other apps and stuff as well. So you need to use your mobile internet browser to obtain this McDonald's rewards points code. So head on over to this website on your mobile phone, www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it exactly like this, guys. Copy this down, Crash Coupons. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to a codes website. Now, they don't only have McDonald's rewards points codes, they actually have mostly game codes. So I do recommend you just tap in that search bar and type in McDonald's. And what it's going to do is going to bring up this codes page, guys. Now, there is only one verified McDonald's coupon code, but this is really popular. Thousands of people have been using this, and this is going to get you 9,999 free rewards points. And this is a simple promo code that you can redeem in the McDonald's app or in the website, and it is going to supply your McDonald's rewards account 10,000 points. So yeah, this is definitely the fastest and easiest method to get free McDonald's food in 2026. So I have already done this morning, and as you can see, there's 270 codes, so these are limited. So what you need to do is unlock your personal code. Like I said, I have already done this, and this basically limits one code per person, so I won't be able to do it again. But what you need to do, guys, is basically click on this button and follow the instructions. I did this, it took me about 5 minutes, but it is really easy. Just make sure you do follow the instructions and complete 2 of the tasks below, and that is going to unlock your McDonald's rewards points code. So essentially, guys, you're going to have a list of things on this page. They are completely free. They do take a few minutes to complete, but it is well worth it. And these are basically things like installing and opening mobile apps, playing games and stuff. So complete 2 of those, and what it's going to do, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and if you fully follow the instructions, your McDonald's code will be revealed. Obviously, I've skipped forward, I did this already, but once you get your code, you can redeem it, and that is going to supply you with 10,000 free McDonald's rewards points. So that is the easiest McDonald's method for free food. Just go to Crash Coupons. If you have any questions, guys, leave a comment below, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.